quick video on how to download Google Voice to your tablet, computer, and to your cell phone. The first thing is, if you have an iPhone, you go to the App Store, sorry. But if you have an Android, you go directly to Google Play. So for this particular example, I'll be using an iPhone. So you click on App Store. And once you get there, you type Google Voice. Download it. And it will take about 45 seconds to get that ready for you. But once it's downloaded, open it, and it will take you to this particular page. Now, for this particular, for Google Voice, you need to have a Gmail account. Once you enter your Gmail account, it will ask you if you want to receive any notifications. If you do, click OK. It'll ask you also if you want to transfer your contacts or give access to your contacts, but that's your choice. Click on Settings. Once you get to the settings, click Google, choose an actual number, click Choose. Then once you get to this particular page, it's going to give you the opportunity to choose the area code that you want to get a number for. In this case, automatically it gives you Houston Suburban, and this is the first number that becomes available. Click on Select. And once you have selected that number, it will ask you to verify if using your actual cell phone number. So go ahead and enter your number. And it will send you a code that you'll have to enter. Once you enter the code, click Next. And that's how your account is going to be ready to use. Click on the X and close it. And click on the little number pad, the green one, and you would be able to make any phone calls. If you click on Messages, obviously you will be able to send text messages as well. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me or email me.